This is the Realme Buds Air 6. Let's see how to connect it to MacBook. First, turn on Bluetooth on your MacBook. The Realme Buds device is now visible on the MacBook. Now connect it. The Realme Buds Air 6 is now connected to the MacBook. If the Realme Buds Air 6 is not visible on the MacBook, then reset the buds. This is the reset button of the Realme Buds. Hold the button for 5 seconds, then the buds will be reset. After resetting the buds device will be visible on the MacBook. Now you can connect it. This is how you can connect the Realme Buds Air 6 to the MacBook.